There is a stretch of West Texas country where the Chihuahuan Desert lifts itself into the mountains. This is the Alpine Highlands, the gateway to Big Bend, and it is the stunning setting for North Canyon Ranch. Spanning 1,099 acres in southern Brewster County, North Canyon Ranch crosses the threshold from a home site into a true working canvas. This acreage is large enough for serious recreational, conservation, and legacy uses. At roughly 4,500 feet of elevation, the region offers cool nights, low humidity, and some of the darkest night skies in the contiguous United States. The land is defined by a network of canyons, seasonal drainages, and rocky ridgelines, which provide natural corridors for wildlife like mule deer, javelina, and blue quail. The ranch is a single contiguous holding that includes the 25.92-acre tract 57R inside the gated Sierra la Rana community, delivering infrastructure and immediacy. It is offered on its own or paired with the contemporary 2020-built residence, creating one of the most complete turnkey ranch packages on the Alpine market. This is the kind of country that asks you to stay a while. Contact Richmond Fraser of Legacy Broker Group to learn more about Scenic Ridge Ranch or how to start your own land legacy in Texas, Colorado, New Mexico, or Oklahoma.